Are you able to see my screen? MATLAB online screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, it's loading. So I have some material. We will be just seeing the codes. Let it load. So this is a very general filtering operation. Inbreed is going to be a very basic command with which you are going to read an image, and you can ask the system to display the image for you. So it displays the image in a new window. You can give some title as well. Here you can see I have performed an averaging filter. So 1 saw 5 comma 5. So 5 comma 5 is the dimension of the mask I have defined. So I have taken all ones. Remember I showed you one 3 cross 3 mask with all ones. Similarly, I am taking a 5 cross 5 mask with all ones. So since I am having 5 elements with all ones, I am dividing it with 25. Now this is going to be my mask. This is going to be my image. So I need to now convolve these two things, or I need to bring these two things together for performing my filtering. So infilter is a direct command. I am using this. I comma h is going to be the syntax. So this is going to result in my filtered image, say I2. Then I can just ask the system to display my filtered image. So this program is what I am having here. So just I will run this image. So I have taken coins .png. So this is my image, original image, you can see. And this is my averaged image. Can you see the blurring effect here? This is actually the smoothened effect. Averaging causes smoothened effect. So only when you have noise, see I have taken the original image and I have performed the smoothing. So it has resulted in a smoothened image, in fact a blurred image. It is not enhanced and all. But when this image is going to have some noise, those noise will be filtered out and you will get an enhanced image. So this is a very basic filtering operation using imfilter command. So here in the next program, I have taken another image. Again, I'm reading the image. So here I have I'm defining 3 kernels. You can see all the kernels, all the mask are 3 cross 3. They are of dimension 3 cross 3. And I have given varied values. See, in the first mask, I have defined all ones. Whereas in the second mask, it is 1, 0, minus 1 I have defined. In the third mask, I have defined a different value. So using all the 3 masks, I am going to perform the filtering operation here. So after performing the filtering operation, so here I am using the convolution 2 operation. So this is another way of doing filtering, because basically it is a convolution operation. So in the first example, we directly used a filter command and performed the filtering.